Are you still wasting time creating the same tasks in Notion over and over again? Well, you don't have to. In this video, I'll show you how you can automate recurring tasks in Notion. Hi, my name is Peter and I'm from Connex Digital. We are an automation agency that helps businesses as well as organizations streamline their entire operations and workflows. If you're interested in working with us, please be sure to book a free call with us. If you're interested in speaking to one of our consultants, please ensure that you visit our website, or you can check the links down below in the description. Without further ado, let me show you how you can automate recurring tasks in Notion. So this is what you need to do. In Notion, there's an icon over here, which is almost like a zap. So you're going to click on it where it says create and view automations. And then from there, what you do is that you scroll all the way to the bottom and then select new automation. And this is how you can actually start creating your own automation within Notion. So here's what you're going to do. You can name it whatever you want. And then from here, you need to have a trigger as well as an action. So here is the trigger. And so for this example, I'll just say every week. And let's just say every Tuesday, and we can say at 8 a.m. So I'm just going to scroll till I find 8 a.m. Perfect. And that's all I need to do. And then now we need to set an action within Notion. So what we do now is we go to under do and we click on new action. And so once that is triggered, what action do we need to perform in Notion? So we're just going to say add page 2. And then we need to select a database. So we select the database. For this example, I'll just say internal tasks, and that'll be as a new page. And then it's going to say task name. So you can actually just, name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it recurring tasks, which is not a problem. I'm going to put a dash there. And then now I've got an option to actually add a person. So I can actually add a person, mention a person, or I can even add a time triggered or a date triggered. So I'm just going to put date triggered there. Not a problem. And then I can also add in a property. So I can just edit a property. And for this example, I'm just going to add priority over there. And now I can select which priority I would like this specific task to be, whether it's high, medium, low, or essentially the actual levels of the priority that you set within Notion. And so I'm just going to select medium for this example. And I can actually add other properties if I would like. And actually, what's also nice about this is that you can actually duplicate it. So you can actually go to this portion over here, as you can see with the 3 dots, and there you can actually duplicate this. And also what's nice is that you can even edit as a formula. And essentially, that is about it. This is how you can actually build a very simple automation within Notion. This is how you can automate recurring tasks within Notion. If you'd like us to build this for you, please be sure to reach out to us, and you can check all the links down below in the description, or you can visit our website, which is connex.digital. Please make sure that you like, you share, and you also subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to give you awesome content. That's it from me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.